The magnificent 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome revives, reimagines, and refines Volkswagen's iconic camper legacy for modern travelers. This next-generation RV combines VW camper van charm with modern technology, efficient performance, and smart interior design for comfort, mobility, and adventure. A mobile home for those who want independence without sacrificing style or sustainability. Designs and exterior. The 2025 VW Motorhome revives the legendary VW camper style with a sleek, aerodynamic appearance. Rounded edges, two-tone body paint, and a minimalist front grille make it nostalgic and futuristic. LED lighting, a panoramic windshield, and solar roof panels enhance appearance and functionality. The lightweight aluminum and composite frame makes the body robust and energy efficient. The 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome is perfect for urban adventurers and nature enthusiasts because of its compact size for city and interstate driving. Electric performance and powertrain. The electric 2025 Motorhome, powered by Volkswagen's MEB platform, can travel 400 miles on a single charge. Integrated solar panels power interior systems and appliances, and fast charging can charge 80% in 30 minutes. Rear-wheel drive or optional all-wheel drive, regenerative braking, and smart driving modes. Eco, comfort, adventure. Make this RV smooth, quiet, and eco-friendly. The low center of gravity and adjustable suspension provide great stability on winding roads and uneven terrain. Interior and living. The 2025 VW Motorhome's interior resembles a modern micro-apartment. The interior uses natural materials, minimalist decor, and modular furniture to meet your needs for sustainability and comfort. Key interior features: fold-out queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, swivel front seats and convertible dining lounge area, compact kitchenette with induction stove, sink, refrigerator and storage, smart bathroom pod with composting toilet and retractable shower, bright open feel with LED lighting and panoramic windows. The cabin has superior air filtration and is climate-controlled for every season. Smart tech and connectivity. Smart technology improves every 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome detail. Key features: central touchscreen control panel for lighting, temperature, and system monitoring. Smartphone integration and voice command. Built-in Wi-Fi and 5G connectivity for remote work and streaming. GPS-based route planner and campground locator. Security system with motion sensors, cameras, and remote warnings. Safety features. Volkswagen's comprehensive range of driver assistance systems ensures safety. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, rear view and 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and parking assist. The 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome is a lifestyle partner for adventure, sustainability, and comfort. This RV is excellent for escaping the city, enjoying the coast, or chasing sunsets throughout the country. Discover freedom on the road with Volkswagen's timeless spirit and future-ready design.